Hey everyone, so I just wanted to share a quick video, really short, on an update on the Tron construction in Magic Kingdom. Shot this on December 20th while we were waiting on the line for the Barnstormer, so you get good views from the Barnstormer line. So hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, so here's an update on the Tron Lightcycle coaster. A lot further along than when I was back here in August. I got a lot of the main building is completed already. Here's the track coming outside, and they're really moving along on this. A couple of minutes.
Have you been on this before?
Well, there's the update on the Tron cycle.